how to use circle to search in mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, simply click on circle to search. Here click on accept. After that, you guys will see assistant app VIA action gesture. So simply click on VIA action gesture. Here allow, I agree to use the following accessibility. Click on that. After that, click on agree. Now go to settings. Here you guys will see on and downloaded apps. After that, you guys will simply click on circle to search. Here circle to search on it. Now click on allow. After that, back. Here wait. Now you guys will see by clicking a floating button by holding down the bottom of screen. So simply click on by clicking a floating button. After that, you guys will see floating button on your screen. Now the question is how you guys can use it. So whenever you want to use it, simply click on that icon. After that, click on got it. Here you can draw any circle, and what you draw, it will be automatically search on Google Lens. So for example, I will draw here. Here we go. Our that pic was searched on Google. That's how you guys can use it. Thanks for watching.